Hey, what's going on, guys? Back again with another video. In this video, I'll just be telling you guys, like, is the XHP transmission tune worth it? So I have a 2012 BMW F30 335i, and I'm tuned with XHP Stage 3. I'll just make it short for you guys. It is worth it. Trust me, I didn't think it was worth it before I got it, but after I got the tune, it really makes a huge difference. When I was stock, I was like, ain't no way it's gonna make that much of a difference, because my stock shifts were already pretty fast. The car sounded good, so I didn't know if it was worth it or not. But once I got the tune, like, you guys will understand. It's hard to explain. I'll give you guys a POV, show you guys me shifting and everything. But hey, if you want to get one of these Vanish plates, I sell them. There's a link in my description for the website, and it's my products as well, so feel free to check it out. Like I said, it's in the description. Right now my plate is off. If I want it on, I just click the button and it's on. So yeah, super sick. If you guys want one, feel free to check it out. But yeah, like I'm saying though, like, before I got the tune, because it's pretty expensive. Like, everyone gets like MHD for their horsepower to make their car faster, but not a lot of people get the XHP tune, because I don't know why. I feel like people don't think it does much, because everyone always say, oh, it just makes your shifts faster and stuff. Like, everyone likes it that I've seen use it. No, I don't think a lot of people think it's worth the money. So I'm telling you guys, it is worth it. It makes a huge difference. It's more than you think. Like, it's hard to explain. When you guys get it, you'll see like the huge difference it makes. You can like do a bunch of stuff with it. You can make your car sound a little bit different. Like, the shifts can sound super aggressive. I have mine pretty aggressive, so you guys will hear that. But enough of me talking. I'll just show you guys what's up. Alright, look how fast this downshifted. I'm gonna try to show you guys. Like, it is pretty instant. This shit's almost like supercar. Okay, that's first gear. You won't really see nothing, but downshift. Jeez. But yeah, you see how instant it is? Like, trust me, stock. Damn. You guys are gonna think stock is fast until you get this, because I thought stock was everything. I'm just casually cruising so you guys can hear me, but I thought stock was fast, because I was like, nah, XHP ain't worth it, because how much faster can it really be than stock? And it's more than the shifts just being fast. Like, the sound, like, listen to when I shift. Like, do you guys hear how aggressive that thing is? That's a sick Corvette down there. I think I showed you guys in another video though. But yeah, like, the shifts, they sound so aggressive. Like, I don't know, like, and you can adjust all of that. You can make it sound aggressive when you shift, like the noise, like when it goes like like that sound. You guys can change that. You guys can completely turn it off if you want. You can make it more aggressive or less aggressive. I think mine is on the max settings, but like, there's so much you can do with it, and the shifts are mad fast. So I'll just give you guys a couple other pulls, and you know, I'll just end the video off after that, because there's not much to say. Like, trust me, it is worth it. Like, you guys won't understand it until you get it, but take my word, it is worth it. The shifts are way faster. You guys won't believe how much faster it is than stock. You guys will think stock is fast, like I said, until you get this. But yeah, you guys will think stock is fast until you get the XHP. Once you get it, you'll see the huge difference, and just the features with it. Like I said, like the shift noise, there's a bunch to it, trust me. This video should make you guys kind of get an understanding though. Downshift, look. Nah, like, if you guys are tuned, especially if you guys are tuned with like BM3 or MHD or anything, even if you're not tuned, you can still get XHP. It still makes your car feel way better. But especially if you guys are tuned, trust me, the XHP paired with the tune, your car is gonna be nasty. Trust me, it's a whole nother feel. It just feels like it's a supercar. I've never driven a supercar, but the shifts are mad fast. So, you know, I would assume that's what a supercar feels like, because it's instant. It's pretty much instant. Like, there's no delay. As soon as you press that shifter, it's shifting. And if you guys are wondering, it shifts fast down here too. So if you guys don't have paddle shifters and you have maybe like a 330i non-M Sport or something, it shifts the same speed the paddle shifters are. This is the same speed. Like, the shift knob thing is the same exact speed. So if you guys don't have paddle shifters, you don't got to worry about that. It works with this too, because I know some people might be wondering. But hey, I hope this video kind of like showed you guys what it is. damn. But yeah, I hope this video kind of showed you guys what it is, and trust me, it is worth it. Take it from me, just get it, you guys will not regret it. But thank you for watching this video again. It's a shorter video, a bit different, you know, it's more of an informal video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching again. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys learned something from this video, or like saw something that you wanted to see. I don't know. Thank you guys for watching though, and I'll catch you on the next one.